Hello, in today's quick video we will be talking about integrating ChatGPT into your chatbots. So chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for business and organizations to provide customer support, answer frequent asked questions and more. However, many chatbots lack the personal touch that users care. By integrating ChatGPT into your chatbots, you can create a more human-like and engaging user experience. So the first step in integrating ChatGPT into the chatbots is to choose a ChatGPT API or a library that works with your chatbot platform and programming language. Some of popular API libraries including Hugging Face, OpenAI, and TensorFlow. These libraries provide a pre-trained ChatGPT model that can be fine-tuned on your specific domain. So, training your ChatGPT model. Once you have chosen an API or library, you need to train the ChatGPT model on a large corpus of text data that is relevant to your chatbot domain. This will help the model understand natural language queries and generate more accurate and relevant responses. The training process can take some time, and it's important to ensure that the ChatGPT model is trained on a data that is specific to your domain. So integrating, once a model is trained, you can integrate it into your chatbot by telling the API or library from within your code that it will allow the chatbot to use ChatGPT model to generate responses to your user queries. The integration process may require some coding experience, but any API or library provided document and tutorials can help you guide you through this process. And then you will test it. After integration ChatGPT on your chatbot, it's important to test and refine the system to ensure it's working effectively. The way collecting user feedback and use feedback of refine the ChatGPT model and improve the chatbot's overall performance. The way also want to consider incorporating additional features such as sentimental analysis or natural language processing to further enhance the chatbot capabilities. In the conclusion, it's interesting ChatGPT into a chatbot can lead to more engaging and effective user experience by improving natural language understanding and generating more accurate and relevant responses. ChatGPT can help you chat feel more human-like and provide better assistance to users. If you're interested in enhancing your chatbot with ChatGPT, I encourage you to explore the available API library and consider training your own ChatGPT model on your specific domain. So if you have some other questions and you want to know how to do it, you can leave a comment. We can make a long tutorial about it, and it will be a long video. And if you need some other stuff, you can read what ChatGPT said to us, define use cases, choose a platform, configure a platform, and etc. etc. So if you like this informational video, please leave a like, leave a comment if you need something, and see you in the next one. Bye.